Hi guys! Update tayo for the Hammond property. So nandito kasi ako ngayon, may tripping ako. So nag-shoot na rin ako para ma-update ko kayo dun sa development sa mga buyers ko na nag-purchase netong Hammond. Ito po yung ating latest development.
Looking for your dream home? We got you! From condo views to family homes, made perfect place where love will grow. Near the city, near your dreams. Life is better than it seems. Home for the dreamers. Bajes na para sa'yo. Start your future, build forever. Find your home today. Oh, dream it, live it. Home for the dreamers. Looking for your dream home? We got you!
So yun guys, yun yung update here at the Hammond. So imagine nyo, wala pa kaming 1 year nagbebenta ng units dito sa the Hammond ay yung lahat ng inner lots natin is sold out na. Pero meron pa tayong mga corner lots. Kaya if you want yung corner lots natin, just message me lang. Ang pinakamaliit nating corner lots is 84 square meters lot area. 3 bedrooms na yung lahat ng corner lots natin. Kaya message me lang guys. Bye!